So you're recording?
We're recording. Let's take a look at Adobe Collage on Touch.
Sorry about that. There's just my screen's a little dirty, but again, this is on Samsung Galaxy Tab 10.1. If we jump in here to Collage, again, plenty of apps going on here. I jump into Collage. I can easily sort of create a new one if I want to, just by hitting that plus button. Pretty straightforward. And again, I literally just spent a couple minutes sort of learning how to use this. So I can go ahead and select, say, some sort of background image or pattern. And if I had additional images, I can load them in as well. So again, pen tool right here, if I select that, I can select anything from the marker, the size, the opacity, and of course the color. But again, it's nice that I'm able to select that, and let's get a decent color going on, something like that. That looks good. And then I can draw. So the cool thing is even if I up the size of it, see as I click and drag, it makes that size larger. But even as I go, you know, I could touch a little lighter and it starts to trail in and trail out. Or I could use two fingers. So again, as I draw and I move, manipulate the size, it'll actually make it a little thinner is the idea. That one didn't work out too well. I am left-handed, so it gets a little tricky. So nonetheless, you have all of your drawing tools, and again, you can go ahead and, you know, add some text as well right here. Of course, you know exactly what it does. Pick my font, activate the keyboard, like that. You guys get the idea. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Again, hello, done, and then there's that element. And again, horrible job designing. So you know what, let's just get out of that altogether. If I jump back, you know, this is something more like what you do is, again, if you have photos in the Creative Cloud, you can go ahead and add them to your layout. And again, based on, say, wherever you were, you might have come up with some sort of really nice photos that basically say start with some sort of palette on or some sort of project. So again, that's Collage. It's in one of the new apps due out sort of in the future. No specific date yet, but it is definitely fun and pretty inspirational working with this stuff.
Great. Thank you very much.